Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian, and if you haven't done so yet, if this is the first video that you ever watch on Love Advice TV, please subscribe to our channel because we come out with a new video each and every day. This video comes from a user who, a follower of Love Advice TV, who asked about healing broken trusts with an ex. I imagine that this person may have cheated on his or her significant other quite a few times based on the comment that I saw. And I often deal with individuals who are coming out of a relationship where a lot of damage was done, especially amongst younger people who tend to be sometimes a little too carefree in their relationship and carefree with their significant other's hearts. And in order to heal broken trust, you're going to need to have truly grown. You can't just buy someone's trust, or you can't cut corners. You really need to learn from your mistakes, to be authentic, and to speak to your partner in a way that conveys empathy and that proves to them that you can relate to how they feel, right? Everyone wants to feel valued and appreciated. And broken trust usually means that your partner doesn't feel valued and doesn't mean appreciated. And the best thing that you can do is to rebuild a platform of some sort after you've given them time to heal, where you constantly acknowledge them for who they are, as they are, where you're not trying to bring them down, where you're not bringing yourself down as well, and where you are able to empathize and to validate their feelings and emotion. That is the winning formula. In some cases, you can't rebuild a platform right away because there is so much broken trust and resentment that you guys are too toxic around each other, or your ex will insult you or say mean things or go crazy when they see you, in which case you have to be patient. You have to take a long-term approach. Sometimes I've told clients that they had to wait months, if not years, because of the damage that they had done to their significant other. But like I often say in coaching sessions, if I was to guarantee you that after 12 to 16 months, you would be able to heal that broken trust and to get back together, would you sign up for that deal? And most everyone says yes, because you really want to make things right. And so you have to be patient and realize that it's not just about you. It's not about you alleviating some guilt. It's not about you trying to share and convey all of the wrong things that you've done and asking for forgiveness. It's also about making sure that you don't hurt your significant other more than you already have done. So you don't have to tell them everything. You don't have to reveal all of the things that you may have done to break their trust. If trust is already broken, perhaps you should already start to work on rebuilding the relationship based on what is already known and not continue to dig and dig and dig. Of course, you need to be open and honest with yourself, right? And you need to truly not just be remorseful, but to ensure that you spend time and effort, as much energy as you can, in building positive patterns, in making sure that you never put yourself in that situation again. And if you're trying to get your ex back just to boost your ego, or just because you miss them, but you know that you can't make them happy, I encourage you to let it go, because I've seen so many people get hurt over and over and over again by a partner, by a toxic partner, that it drives me crazy. And I get very protective over clients, over good people all over the world who keep giving second chances to the wrong type of people. So make sure that you are not the wrong type of person for your ex, that if they choose to start to trust you again, if they place their trust in you, that you will not let them down. And that process starts now. You ensure that you won't let them down then by doing the things that you need to do now. by identifying the negative behaviors, the triggers, the bad influences, or the negative environment, and by making sure that you build positive habits today. If you don't know how to work with us, that is my passion. That is Coach Natalie's passion. And that is what Coach Alexandre Cormon has done for many, many, many years, successfully, all over the world. Sometimes you need support, and we are here to help. So broken trust can be healed if you approach it with the right spirit, in the right mindset, and if you have the right support. That's why we're here. So as always, keep fighting the good fight, and see you soon on Love Advice TV for yet another video.